Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to Macy's to check out the 2024 Thanksgiving Day Parade featuring Disney collaboration. Now when we first entered the store, we saw this awesome setup with all of the Disney Macy's collab items. Now there are some other Disney characters that will show up in this collaboration, but the inspiration is that Disney will be featuring a Minnie Mouse balloon at this year's Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. So you will see some of those features of the balloon throughout this collection. Now the inspiration is actually the 90-year anniversary of Disney and Macy's collaborations. The collection will be exclusive to Macy's, so you can only find these prints and pieces at Macy's, all of which were designed by Jeff Shelley, one of Disney's legendary artists. Now you do have a few categories in terms of what is available in this collaboration. First, you have some normal daily wear, which I wonder if they're going to end up wearing some of these pieces in the Thanksgiving Day Parade itself, so stay tuned. A lot of these designs feature graphics that kind of have a nod to the Thanksgiving Day Parade. So you have things that say, "I'm with the band." I can definitely see some balloon carriers wearing some of those t-shirts. And you also have some kind of Parisian or like old America style graphics. So you'll have a lot of these pennants that kind of look very collegiate. They look very from the time of the Grease movies. And then you'll see the Mickey balloon on this sweatshirt. You'll also see the Minnie balloon on another one. You have all of these nice cozy accessories that kind of have a nod to Macy's. Like this hat really has the theme of Macy's in forefront in my mind when I look at it. You also have a lot of items for the family. So you have a wide size range. This Jordan vest is out of place. But you do have a lot of things that, you know, the whole family can enjoy, and they are all part of the same collaboration. So it kind of all works together. Let me know in the comments below if anything is catching your eye. I really like this pennant sweatshirt, and I really like these matching PJs. So there's a few style of family PJs, and as you'll see on these pants, they do have the other characters held up by balloons, the same with the mug and so on. Now you do have a bunch of other accessories like these Funko Pops and the mini slippers that we saw originally, as well as some other warm accessories, the mugs, things like that. Now, overall, I really like this collaboration. I think it's so wholesome and so true to Disney's character. It feels fun but innovative, and I just really love the float. Now, you also do have an advent calendar. This is apparently a sticker calendar. So it does come with a Macy's parade scene, as well as, 24 stickers for you to unbox each day and place right on there. Now here is another set of holiday PJs. They are so soft, as well as another mini float. So this is the new mini float that's going live, and you see all those float carriers down at the bottom, and it's $40. It's not gonna break the bank. On the back, you do have a mini logo with the New York skyline in it. So they really didn't spare any details with this set. On the mini one, you don't have that skyline on the back, but you have some other details. And then we have the float crew. I wonder if this one is going to be, something that is worn by the float carriers as well. So overall, I think this was a hit of a collaboration. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you're excited to pick up any of these items. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.